Today I'm going to be tasting Ting, a grapefruit flavored soda. Ting, a Jamaican soda, was first produced in 1976 by D&G Limited, the brewers of Red Stripe, and gained popularity after being acquired by PepsiCo in 1999. I've never had this. I've always been curious about it because I like Squirt a lot. I just found this at Walmart in the international section. I've never seen it there before. That's good. It tastes a lot like Squirt. Yeah, it tastes a lot like Squirt. They're pretty good. It says it has pulp, but I don't see anything. I give it a good 8 out of 10.